Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review clip-in hair extensions from Irresistible Me. I don't know if you remember, but I showed you guys their hair straightener not long ago, and I have been loving it so far. This time they sent me their clip-in hair extensions for me to try it out. So let's unbox it and see how it turns out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. I love the packaging, it's so cute. This girl is so pretty, and over here says we're into love letters and all that cheesy stuff, so don't even try to resist. I love the art in here. So over here says Irresistible Who, and inside it says Irresistible You, but the brand, it's called Irresistible Me. That's cute. Alright, you stay here. I like that she's with me, like she's the guest for today. This is what it looks like. I think the packaging is super cute. Like the air bubbles are pink and in like heart shapes. Over here has this little one right here. This is for you to test out the color. So it's not the piece for you to clip in. So make sure the color matches with your hair first before you try on the extensions. So let's see this little piece right here. So this one is called Classic Balayage, and it's 20 inches. It has natural black and light brown. Even though my hair is pretty much black, I thought it would be fun to have a little highlight in my hair, so that's why I chose this. And I think based on this, it should work. So a little bit about the product. It's handmade with 100% human remedy hair. Basically, you can style it with a hair straightener or a curling iron, no problem, which I love. I think that's so cool that you can style the hair. So you can also cut it, of course you can cut it, but you can also color it. So I thought that's super cool. It's just like your hair, you know, because it's human hair. Exactly a year ago, I cut my hair super short. It's been a year and my hair is definitely longer now, but still not long enough. It only grew like this much. Sometimes I just miss my long hair. Irresistible Me came through. Let's open this up. Look at this holographic sticker. So pretty. Over here has a rubber band. The color, it's actually really light down here, but I feel like it doesn't really matter. Should be able to blend well with my hair. This is the first piece. That's a lot of hair. So I got the 20 inches. I measure it around my ear and just like from this point down 20 inches. Because supposedly you should be clipping like around here. This should be a good length for me. This is the second piece. It's smaller. We have one large, two medium. This is the largest one. This is the medium one. And then this is the smaller piece. And also we have two mini ones right here. I'm going to apply this large one first. I'm going to tie my hair up, like half of my hair. Pop them open. They're coming through. There are two. Thinking to put it like right here. Okay. So it's like perfect right here. So this is what it looks like to have the side on. It's a lot lighter than I thought, but I think it will work. Two sides. I still need more. I understand why they give me so many now, like, because we need more. We need layers, you know? So I have so much hair. Look at this volume. I have so much hair. It's thick. It's kind of thin at the end, but what I'm grabbing like right here, it's super thick. It looks pretty blend in and it is super easy to apply. I'm pretty impressed. What do you guys think? I still have, maybe I can put it like right here. I believe these two little ones are meant to be at the front. Wow, like you can't even tell. This is looking good. My hair was literally this long before I cut it last year, so I donated like this much. This is like my old self. I think it's great and I like the highlight. You see the highlight just like peeking through? I think it's so pretty. I think it will look really good if I style it. Should we try curling it? Alright, let's try it. I didn't think I would want to curl it because it's a lot of work, but now I'm just so excited and I want to see how it will look. I feel like the layer, it's more obvious when it's straight. If I curl it, I feel like it will become more natural. I haven't curled my hair in a very long time. Tired from the sleepless nights, you run out of your tears from all of the crowd. So I added in some texture, just like wavy curl on this side, and I feel like it definitely looks like it's blending it more natural. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love. When I was curling my hair, I didn't even know like which part was like my own hair. It blends a lot better this way. I really want to dye my hair now. It's just I'm always concerned that it's gonna damage my hair because I used to dye my hair all the time when I was in high school and college, and so I don't know, but this makes me really want to dye my hair again. Looking very natural, I would say. I have long hair again. Wow, looks so nice. Not only do I have long hair again, but I have so much hair. Wow. So thick. Overall, I really love it. I do have a discount code for you guys. Get 20 off or 20% off on your first order. Also, if you don't know what color to choose, you can take a picture of your hair under the natural light and send it to their email, and they'll be happy to choose the right color for you, which is awesome. They have like so many different colors and different lengths, so if you think this is too long for you, they have shorter ones too. They have even longer ones. But I think 20 inches is perfect for me. Let me know if you like how it looks on me. Do you think it looks totally fake or totally natural or just like, whatever? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye! I am back again. I thought, why not take my extensions out and just like kind of show you guys the process. You can see before and after in reverse. Yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. That's all done. And this is just my hair left. See how short it is? It is a little bit wavy because what I did earlier. You're cute.